Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to see the next type in gamma function, that is type 2. So the basic formula of gamma function we all know is given by integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n minus 1 into dx. So we have to make every equation in this form if we have to apply the property of gamma. But in type 2, our function will be something like this, 0 to 1. Instead of integration 0 to infinity, we will have the equation in terms of 0 to 1 x raised to n log of x the whole raised to m into dx. So if we have log of x raised to something, this x raised to n is matching with this term, so we do not have to do anything for this. This log of x the whole raised to m, we do not want this term. Instead of this term, we want e raised to something, so we will put log of x equal to some constant, and then we will solve our problem. So in type 2, remember, we will have log raised to some number. Okay, this will be more clear when we see the problem. So the problem is solve 0 to 1. Our integration is from 0 to 1 x raised to m log of 1 upon x the whole raised to n. So we have to make our equation in this form. So x raised to m, we will keep it as it is. So we will substitute log of 1 by x. So we put log of 1 by x equal to some other variable u. Then I am taking log on this side. So 1 by x will become e raised to u. Then our x will become e raised to minus u. So if you can see, is this x will be replaced by e raised to minus u, which matches with this term. Now we take the derivative, so dx and minus e raised to minus u du. After this, we are changing the variable, so we have to change the limit of integration. So first we will write our initial variable. Our initial variable here was x and the new variable is u. So the initial variable is from 0 to 1. When we put x equal to 0 here, so it will be 1 upon 0, so log of infinity is infinity. When we put x equal to 1 here, so it will be nothing but log of 1, and we know that log of 1 is 0. So now the new variable is from infinity to 0, so our I will become infinity to 0. Log of 1 by x is replaced by u, so u raised to n into x raised to m. X is e raised to minus u and x raised to m into dx. Dx will be replaced by this term, so we have minus e raised to minus u du. So now what we are going to do, we can take this minus sign here, so we get minus infinity to 0 u raised to n into e raised to u minus u, the whole raised to m is nothing but e raised to minus m into u, and this e raised to minus u du. In this, to apply the property of gamma function, we need integration from 0 to infinity. So we can change the integration. We know that whenever we have integration 0 to infinity, it is equivalent to minus infinity to 0. That is, by taking the minus sign inside the integration, we can change the upper limit and lower limit of the integration. So we will take this minus sign inside the integration, so the upper limit and lower limit will get exchanged. So here it will be 0 to infinity. E raised to minus mu and e raised to minus u, we can combine these two as e raised to minus u minus m plus 1 into u. So we get u raised to n e raised to minus m plus 1 into u du.